Hi, I'm Milo, and today I will share with you all two case studies as examples of programs in Latin America where the scientific diaspora plays a crucial role in social transformation. The Latin America population is currently a potent source of human power. It has grown really fast in the last 70 years. It passes from being distributed evenly between the continental north and south in the 50s to represent about 64% of the total continental population in the present days. However, this region faces challenging troubles with roots in its high levels of inequality and extreme poverty. In Colombia, for example, almost a third of the population lives with less than $2,000 a year, and its Gini index is the second highest in the region. These challenges contrast with the Colombian gross domestic product, the GDP, the fourth highest in Latin America. How much of this GDP Colombian does invest in science? Well, very little. Only 0.2% of the GDP goes into science. Such a percentage is deficient, even when compared with other Latin American countries. This lack of funding in science directly affects the number of researchers within the country, less than 90 per million people. To solve these and other problems, education is the engine of transformation. We have identified two critical times along a person's educational path that poses enormous barriers. The first is the pass from high school to college, and the second is the transition from college to grad school. Now, I will focus on two programs whose goal are to help Colombian students at these two stages with the help of the Colombian scientific diaspora. The first is Clubes de Ciencia Colombia. The second is the research internship led by the Red de Estudiantes Colombianos en Astronomía, RECA. In Clubes de Ciencia Colombia, two scientists, one living in Colombia and the other one traveling from overseas, get together to design and implement a one-week workshop with a group of 20 teenagers from underserved communities. The RECA internship matches a Colombian undergrad student with an astrophysicist abroad to work together for 3 months on a cutting-edge research problem in astrophysics. The main tangible results of these two programs are more than 9,000 benefited students in 7 years and more than 700 researchers involved, 50% of them living overseas in Clubes de Ciencia Colombia, and 10 undergrad students benefited last year of the RECA internship. This is a new program. 20 PhDs in astrophysics got involved, and more than 90% of them were living overseas. I want to end by pointing out some of the main challenges we have in these two programs. Both programs run 100% based on volunteer scientists. This model is not sustainable in the long term. We need funding and governmental interest. Our goal is to dignify the work of scientists, and we need to work on scientific policies to mitigate the brain drain and have science as a topic of national priority in these developing countries.